will eat. Okay? You will eat, baby, okay? Delicious? Abi? Delicious, ah. Delicioso. Delicioso, delicious, masarap. Masarap, bibi, masarap. Okay. Masarap ang pagkain ni Bibi. Masarap siya. Gano? Masarap at healthy. Healthy pa. You know? Kalabasa or squash. Must squash. You know? Must squash. Up. Ay. Ay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good na si Bibi. Very good na si Bibi is eating a mashed kalabasa. Yes. See? Very good And then tomorrow will be vegetables, no? Will be carrots and broccoli. We can we can steam it and then smash, or either blend it. Ano na yun?